Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Dollar Tree DIY. So this one is going to be $5, and we're going to make a cute little stand here. I picked up these two little copper vases, so we've got those. And then in the glassware I got clear glass, so I've got a plate, the exact same plate in smaller size, and then this bowl which has those same lines and then some really pretty intricate little details there. So we are going to do some gluing and hot gluing and make our own little catch-all for our makeup, and you can have it as fruit. You could have it wherever you'd like, whatever you want. Mine's going to be more for makeup and jewelry. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to move you over here so you can see a little bit better. There we go. Just a little bit more there. There we go. So I have my Fix-All adhesive, which works like the E6000, and then I've got my hot glue gun here. And somebody gave me one of these stands, so I did replace the one that I DIY'd with this nice little hot glue stand, and it's from, let's see, Totally Tiffany. It was a gift at the Wandering Planners Expo, so I said I better start using that one, and it holds it really well. It's got this little like silicone, so I can easily take off those extra pieces that kind of fall. So my DIY one worked really good, and it was very inexpensive. I don't even know how much these are, but it was free, and so I said, why not? So I am going to use two. I'm going to use the Fix-All to give it a permanent hold, and then the hot glue to make it hold for right now. So I'm just going to go ahead along the outside here, and I'm not worried about any of the paper or anything because I don't plan on doing anything with it other than this. So I've got that, and I'm going to do the same thing to this one while I have it, because it does, it is going to stay, it's not like hot glue. It's going to stay wet for a little while. In fact, that's why I'm using the hot glue, to get a quick dry. And then the Fix-All is going to hold really, really well. So then I'm going to take this little guy here, and we are going to I'll put some on the outside, or some on the inside there. I need to push that through better. There we go. And then we're going to go along the outside with the hot glue. And you don't want the two to come together, because it, now this I don't know, I've just learned it from watching other people, is that you don't want that to mix, because it won't dry as nicely. So we've got that together, and then we're going to go along the top here, and on this one I'm going to put it along the edges of 3 edges. And then on the other 3, I'm going to put the hot glue. Now I like the clear and the copper. I'm just going to center that right up. Look how cute that is already. And then I'm going to come back here around the outside again. Whoa, don't drop it. And put that little guy in there. And then we're going to come back one more time with the 3 edges. Now let me tell you, this Fix-All, people compare it to the E6000. It is very comparable. The only thing is with the E6000, I have a hard time, like after it's open, I can't open it and squeeze it out as nicely. So I actually like this Fix-All a little bit better, and the cost is definitely better. And then I'd like to have a little bowl as a catch-all there, and I'm just going to look right above and get that centered on there. And again, look. Oh! See? I was going to show you. I'm going to go over the hot glue area a little bit better. I was going to show you that it holds for a little bit and keeps everything in, but you don't want to use just hot glue unless you are going to be taking them apart. So if you want it to stay together and have a firm grip, let's see, there we go. But look how cute that is. So I'm going to put some of my bigger makeup down here, some of my smaller makeup here. I'll put some jewelry in here and then hang my earrings, the ones with the hanging ones right off of here. So I'll put a couple pieces on and take a photograph for you. But I hope you like this. I think it's super cute. And if you would give me a big thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. Make sure you share it with your friends because that is how it helps my channel. And it's so nice to be doing DIYs with you again. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.